Welcome back to the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I just enjoyed this game a bit too much. I'm playing as a killer this time. I'm playing as Nancy. Sissy was already taken by someone else, so I'm taking my second favorite. Nancy has the ability to see what a survivor is doing. So let's see. Where can I get some blood? Oh, I can barbed wire. I forgot about that. Where's Grandpa? There he is. Okay, good. We have to protect him. He's old. Oh, I can't even crouch. I have to wake up Grandpa to get to the basement. Okay. Shit. Can I wake him up without blood? No. And there's blood. Okay, no, that's powder. I can't wake. I have to wake him up with some blood. Okay, I'm adding barbed wire here. Great! I can't go through the faces because I'm not Sissy. Open the door. Open.
I'm sorry I left you all those years.
Oh, that leg.
Damn Johnny! I'm always covering up his mess.
Let's get into the basement. Close the door. Lock it.
Well, look at that. Somebody's not doing so good.
So, where's one of the victims? So I can kill a victim. I'm adding some barbed wire here. I want to make sure they get hurt. And I want to make their escape harder. I hear Leatherface. I can't go through that. Did I lock myself in? No. I'll just take this way. I can close this. That's good. Oh, wrong button, but I need this. Okay. Is he outside? I think he's outside. I think he's trying to use the generator or something. Uh-oh, the door's open. Now I know how he escaped. So lock the door. Okay. Climb the ladder, yeah, great. Chicken, shut up. I know someone was here. That's Sissy's cloud. Where's that guy? Wait, is someone over there? Yeah, someone's over there. I saw someone. Why can't Nancy run a bit faster? Is it Connie? That was Connie, yeah. Where is she hiding now?
My herald always said, if you can't do something right, don't do it at all. Now come get your punishment.
Did she jump back into the well? Is it locked? I hope so. Yeah. So now where's Connie? Where is she? Not in there. What was that? I heard something. Oh, the gates are opened. Now she's gone. One of them is gone. That was not Connie, that was Leland. Can I kill the chicken? No. Can I see something? Julie is looping someone. She's getting chased by Sissy, I think. Back there. And she's gone. Okay, two are still left. What's that sound? A motor? Someone's getting killed over there. I need more barbed wire. Where do I get that stuff? Oh no, only Connie's left. This is open! Open! No! Don't! Close it, close it! Okay, someone did use the motor of the car. Close it! I'm gonna hit you, Sissy. I'm going to hit you. Why did you let them escape? Young girl. Young lady, come back. Don't close it in my face. Good. You be a good girl now. Can someone turn the motor back on or off? Whatever it was. Oh shit. Why are you happy, Leatherface? They escaped. I'm not happy. I didn't get to kill anyone. Okay, that's it.